All right, we're going to tap on feeling out of control. So we're going to start right here. Tapping is going to help you feel calmer, less anxious, more in control, and actually will give you access to your intuition, so you'll be able to see how you can have control and let go of the things that you can't and be okay with it. All right, so we're tapping here. We're letting go of some of the grief that's surrounding feeling out of control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. So yawn coming on. You might feel a yawn. You might feel your chest opening up and relaxing. Tears might start coming down your face. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And we're going to say, even though I'm feeling out of control, good, I deeply love and accept myself. If you are a skeptic on this, you can take a number from 0 to 10, and 10 being really feeling out of control and 0 not at all, and monitor your number throughout. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So we are tapping on top of the head, which is going to release looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking around not having control. Good. We're going to go to that inner eyebrow. Good. There's lots of yawning here. So when we seek control on things that we can't control, that will increase our anxiety, right? Take a deep breath in and out. We can control how we respond. And the best thing to do is to get into the parasympathetic nervous system, which is what we are trying to do by tapping. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So we're going to say, even though I'm feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. I just felt my jaw relaxing and the energy draining behind my ears, which is a good thing. So right here, we're releasing fear and frustration here and here. Let's go here on the outside of the eye. Sorry, frustration and anger is what we're releasing. Good. Even though I'm feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. I'm feeling more energy shifts. I'm more yawning. Good. Let's go under the eye. Even though I'm feeling out of control, this is the number one spot for feeling out of control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we feel out of control, our stomach tends to act up, and this is related to the stomach meridian line, which is related to the stomach. This is why we get stomach aches, butterflies, when we feel out of control. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We also can't really digest our food because we go into fight or flight. So all the energy that we use to digest goes to our extremities to run away or fight. Good. Let's tap under the nose. This is another big one if you're feeling out of control. Even though I'm feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Lots of yawning in this one. I just felt my shoulders relaxing, a lot of heat coming in my chest area. Good. Let's go under the lip. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Even though I'm feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Another yawn. Good. If you're having trouble yawning, you can always open your mouth and that will encourage the yawn to leave. Good. Let's go to the underneath the collarbone. This is helping to release fear around feeling out of control. So like we fear that it won't stop, right? Like that's one of the things that makes us feel the most out of control is that it won't stop. Even though I feel this way, I deeply love and accept myself. There goes the rest and digest. When we turn on the parasympathetic nervous system, these are all recalibrations that we go through by releasing a burp or a yawn or a hiccup. That's the body getting back into alignment with the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. We're in the center of the chest, offering ourselves a little bit more compassion and love and forgiveness. So even though I'm feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Whew. Even though I feel like I lost control. Good. I deeply love and accept myself. So pay attention to that number that you started out with. It should be going down. Sometimes it will go down and then it'll go back up a little bit. And that's because we weren't really checked into how much it was affecting us. So as we process the energy, we start to realize, oh yeah, I'm really angry about that, or I'm really upset about that. Why did that happen? So as we get clear on how we feel, sometimes the number will go up and then it'll go down again, because we're just processing out that energy and emotion. So on the outsides here by the bra line or hands width down from the armpit, we are processing anger and frustration. So we're going to say, even though I was feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Oh, gosh. Let's go to the hand. So even though I was feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. I feel my shoulders relaxing. I feel my tailbone untucking. So here's an energetic description. So when we are feeling out of control, our energy is flipped upside down. So what we're doing is we're actually getting it to go back into place, which is why we feel like we can't tell heads from tails, like we can't figure out what to do, is because we're literally upside down energetically. Good. The saying that you have your head up your butt is actually what it looks like. And we're collapsed in our energy, so we're like tucked under. It's very interesting. So when we tap, we are unfolding and expanding, which is exactly what we want to be doing. Good. Even though I'm feeling out of control, good, that's starting to change. I deeply love and accept myself. So you might be around the 5 mark, which is where you have an awareness of the old way that you were feeling and the awareness of the new way that you could feel. Good. Let's go to the inner eyebrow. Even though I was feeling out of control, good, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. It feels like it's dropping to a 3. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. If you feel like you need more tapping to lower your number, feel free to keep going. You can tap for an hour if you want. When we do tapping like this, we actually turn on 72 genes for healing. We lower our cortisol levels by 37%, and we turn on our boosted immune system. There's so many things. We have access to our intuition. So we want to tap and get into the parasympathetic, and then we will start to realize how we can feel in control. Our intuition will take over, our creative thinking, our knowingness, or problem solving will come through. So even though I was feeling out of control and now I'm not, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Let's go under the lip. Even though I was feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Let's go right here under the collarbone. Even though I was feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Center of the chest. Even though I was feeling out of control, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. Okay, feel free to keep tapping. I love you. You're doing great. I hope this was helpful.